Hello, friends! Welcome to Phonics Fun Land. Today we are going on a fun adventure. Are you ready to read with me?
Yes!
Let's start with this sound. Look carefully. What sound is this? This is A. Sound A plus sound I says A. Say it.
A.
Rain. Rain, rain, drip, drop. Train. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Paint. Paint, paint, splash, splash. Brain. Brain, brain, think, think. Now let's play a game. When I say a word, you tell me, is it A or not? Rain.
Yes.
Cat. No. Train.
Yes.
Bag. No. Maid.
Yes.
Plates.
No.
Now look here. What sound is this? This is O. Sound A plus sound A says O. Say it.
O.
Coat. Coat, coat. Wear it. Road. Road, road. Go, go. Boat. Boat, boat. Float, float. Soap. Soap, soap. Wash, wash. When you hear O, touch your head. When you don't, stay still. Boat. Dog. Soap. Cup. Roast. Balloon. Now the last one. Look. What sound is this? This is
I.
sound I plus sound E says I. Say it.
I.
Tie. Tie, tie. Dress up. Pie. Yummy, yummy pie. Dries. Dries, dries. Dry, dry. Cried. Cried, cried. Boo-hoo. Game time. Which word has I sound? Is it table, cat, or flies? Get ready. 3, 2, 1. It's flies. Flies. Did you get it? Great job. Let's move on. Which word has I sound? Is it cup, fries, or drum? Get ready. 3, 2, 1. It's fries. Fries. Did you get it? Excellent. I will say a word. You shout the sound. Rain.
A.
Boat.
O.
Pie.
I.
Coat.
O.
Train.
A.
Great job! Wow, you did amazing today! You learned A, O, and I sounds. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Phonics Fun Land. See you next time! Bye!